Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is quite volatile compared to what we have seen in gold. Okay, this is the range where the price of silver is moving as of now. See, depends on how you trade on 15 minutes chart, 2-hour chart, daily chart or weekly chart. In this video, we'll be discussing how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, looking at this particular chart, we have seen a level of 86.3 is weak. Okay, and it is already being so tested, so probability will be high that if the price fall below a level of $87.8, there is a probability of crossing this level and it can go further down towards $85. And if the price fall below this level, a further fall can also be seen. Okay, looking at this particular chart, if the price keep moving above a level of 91.5, then there is a probability of upside, as we can see. Then chances of going towards new high can be seen and a probability of crossing upside can be seen. See, this is the trend where we have seen that if you are trading on a 15 minutes chart, then this is the trend we can see. Okay, now look at the 2-hour chart. We can see that 2-hour chart is showing a downside movement, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a smaller pattern is formed. A smaller pattern showing that there is a probability that it can bounce back if the price sustaining above a level of around $88.5. See, if you look at this particular trend, a smaller pattern is showing. This particular pattern is showing a flag pattern. Okay, and if the price started moving below this level, that means if it started breaking a level of 87.87, there is a chances that it can make a sharp fall and a probability of moving towards 86.19 can be seen, and then a further fall can be seen. So remember that there is a probability of going towards 83.17. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, it can move further down towards 82.8. But if the price bounce back from this particular level, chances are high it can move towards a level of 90.2, and if the price moving above this level, probability of going towards 91.76 is there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further high can be seen and it can make a new high. Coming back on a day-wise chart, we have seen that it is trying to form a candle where we have seen that the bottom is the क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको. See, if you look at the chart of the daily chart, we can see that it is trying to form a hammer. But if you look at this red hammer candle, we have seen that upper side, the demand is very less. Okay, because we have seen a profit booking has come at this level. But if you look at this trend, there is a probability that if the price started going above a level of 92.5, a further upside can be seen. And then we can see it can cross a level of 93.6. Remember, as soon as the price sustaining above 92.5, chances of crossing 93.6 is very high, because this level is already weak, so chances are high it can move towards 94 to a level of 95 to a level of 96, or it can move towards 97 also. Keep trailing your SL by $1, so at least you'll capture upside movement if the price keep moving above this level. And there is a chances that if the price goes above a level of 92.7, there is a chances that it can make a new high, okay, towards a level of 95 also, to a level of 96 also. Now coming back on a weekly chart, which is very important, but before that you have to understand that if the price fall below 87.6, we can see there can be a further fall towards a level of around 83.8, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. Before that, a level of 86 is a strong support, and then directly we can see is coming at around 83.8. So trailing your SL is very important towards downside also if the price fall below 87.6. Coming back on a weekly chart, we can see that the silver price now trading around $89.14. We have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, this was the range we have seen. As soon as the price started going above 39.7, we have seen there is a non-stop upside, and upside we have seen, and it was making higher and higher. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain this level, the next level we can see is around $93.7, which is an all-time high and this week's high. Okay, so if the price keep moving above a level of around 84.7, which is already above that level, so probability can be high. It can touch a level of 93.7. so trail your SL by at least $1.5, so at least you will capture upside movement towards an upside. So if the price sustain this level, probability of going towards 93.7 can be there, and if the price keep moving over this level, probability of going towards 94 to a level of 95, and if that sustain to a level of 96 to a level of 97, or if the price keep moving over this level, we can see a level of 98 to $100 also. So best what you can do, you can trail your SL by $1.5, so at least you will capture an upside movement. But suppose if it started coming down, see, because whenever it is making new high, we have seen a fall. Okay, and silver mostly depends on gold and USD, okay, dollar index. So you have to understand that suppose the gold price is moving upside, silver is stagnant at some point, but it will not go down if the gold price is moving upside. This is what we have seen, okay, recent in the week chart. Okay, but if the gold price is going down, there is a probability that silver price can go down. Maybe it not in that volatility, but it will go down. Suppose if the price started coming down, it can move towards a level of $83.9, okay, which is a support one. And if the price falling below $83.9, we can see a level of around 79.3. okay, that is a support 2. Again I repeat, if the price fall below this level, 83.9 is a support 1, and a level of around $79.3 is support 2. Suppose if the price fall below this level, then we can see a level of 72.5, which is a support 3, and if the price falling below this level, chance of touching 70 can be seen. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can also be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.